Oh, Donna. Oh, Donna. Oh. Madonna's, big up on a nice clean self. Welcome back to another video. As usual, voicing my opinions. And I have some content that one of Madonna sent me and they want me to talk about it. So I'm going to drop the video right now. I'm going to listen to it. I want to tell me what I think in the comment section, and I am going to voice my opinion. But please don't forget to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. All right, let's go into it right this minute.
Jamaicans in the world than there are in Jamaica. When I heard that fact, I was like, that's really, yeah. They're all in Brixton. There's more people, there's more Jamaicans that are not living in Jamaica than they are in Jamaica. So in Russian, that's mad.
Now, because the culture's so strong, people cling to it, but they're mixed.
There's more Jamaicans in the world than there are in Jamaica. When I heard that fact, I was like, that's really, yeah. They're all in Brixton. There's more people, there's more Jamaicans that are not living in Jamaica than they are in Jamaica. So in Russian, that's mad.
Now, because the culture's so strong, people cling to it, but they're mixed.
There's more Jamaicans.
So they're saying that there is more Jamaicans in the world than they are in Jamaica. Let me tell you something. Guys, I've been saying that. I've been thinking that. Nobody tells me that. It's just that even on social media, when you look on social media, Jamaica is so little bit, but it's like we're dominating so many where. Like we're doing things, oh my God, extremely well out there. That's why sometimes when we as Jamaica tear down each other, it can hurt me so much because people loves we all over the world. Like our culture, our food, a lot of things about Jamaican that people love. Like that is not a Jamaican. And when them say that, like we there everywhere. You see, even if you go like here, which part me live, like you go on the street, oh my God. You go in at the supermarket, when me go, it's like more Jamaican going at the supermarket than anyway. When you're looking at a grocery store, them like Jamaican food, Jamaican this, Jamaican that. And let me tell you, man, I'm so proud to be a Jamaican because sometimes when you see how other culture love we, it make me look forward to, changes. Things can happen. We can get better. We are doing good. But at the same time, towards each other, me I go do a video 10 things what I like about Jamaica as a Jamaican and 10 things that I don't like about Jamaican. Yes. So, let me tell you something. We, Jamaican, if you go anywhere in that, it coming like with the everywhere in the world. I was watching this video with the little kids them in Africa. You know the little kids them that them dance all the time in Africa. And when me tell you say, we see a little Jamaican kid in the group holding up our flag, I was so proud. Like I'm like, damn, we in everything. We're little, we have this saying, we say we're little, but we talawa. And that is so true. Yes, we're little, but we talawa. Guys, I'm not telling a lie. It's like everywhere. You go here in the nursing home, you go in the hospital, you go anywhere you go on the street more time. Apart from, white people, is like any little way you go. Jamaican. Like sometimes you look upon them and you literally recognize them as Jamaican before them even open up their mouth. A lot of the times, I don't know guys if you like me, but a lot of the times, it's like I recognize Jamaican people before them even open up their mouth. When you're going at the supermarket, like the extra, the Korean store, and you hear them attack in there, like, I'm like, this is such a big country. And you can have 5, 6 Jamaican in this liquor beanie store. Yeah. Like it make me think, I'm like, wow. We are a small country, but we are a lot of people. And we go there and we have our children them, and our children them live on to the roots. They represent, a lot of them represent, because they are proud to be a Jamaican. If we could have just shift certain things in a Jamaica, yeah. And if we could have just shift certain things about the culture, it would have been so nice. So nice. But guys, let me know in the comment section if you feel that way there. Because when you're there at Jamaica, you actually maybe don't feel that way. You know what I mean? When you're there at Jamaica, you might don't feel that way there because you're there at Jamaica. So it's like when me I talk for myself, when me there at Jamaica, it's like I feel like me just cub up, like my mental, they just like it's so small. It never so wide. We never get to see so much things. You get what I mean? So now that me actually there in America, and me I look back in Jamaica, it's like Jamaica just seems so to me because my mind expand and get so wide and see so much things. So it's like, even like my family, them will say they don't hear from me, whatever. It's like your mind I got 100 mile per hour faster here than when you used to live in Jamaica. So it's like, who? This country is so big. You drive around here, you drive around there, you go on social media, the amount of people you will live in the US. Trust me, it's amazing. It's amazing. Only if we know what we have and cherish that. Yeah, because a lot of us really don't know. A lot of people want to be us, and a lot of us don't appreciate us, if you get what I mean. But anyway, guys, tell me what y'all think in the comment section below. Please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly, greatly appreciated. And let's chat in the comment section. Tell me how you feel, if you feel the same way, because your girl here was thinking about that when me coming to this country like few years and settle down in this country. I was thinking the same exact thing what this guy was thinking. Same exact thing. Sometimes me literally think to me is a psychic. Because like nobody now have to tell me nothing, you see things for yourself. And you just have to, use your brain where God gave you. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough love and prosperity to you all. God bless. Bye.